3 o'clock in the morning. Can't sleep. I've got maybe 2 hours of sleep, 2.5 at the most. This is the way I am. When a big event, something I have to do, be at an airport, a meeting, can't rest. So Melinda, she's the same way. In fact, she's inside awake too, but trying to be quiet because we got the twins still asleep in there. Melinda's got cups and coffee and everything here for all of them for this morning when they show up. Bread. And my crew will be here first, my regular crew. They're gonna get everything prepped, and then an hour later the whole crew will be here and it will all begin. Well, let's see how this day goes. Everybody cross your fingers and say a prayer for us. Yeah, I already boiled up water for them to make coffee, and they're up there, a few of them right now, having some early morning coffee before we go to work. I love the spirit that they're here early. It means they're as excited and dedicated as I am to this. That's awesome. Beautiful morning here. Beautiful morning. One of the gentlemen's already out his little boat with the sail up. A little small sail, not very big. He's moving along. Well, this is it right here. This is the last time there will be shots of seeing all of this work we did right here. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Listen, what a beautiful morning. Crew here. Hey, good morning, Amber. Everybody here, as I call your name, please raise your hand. Marvin, are you here? Mike, are you here? Uncle Malone, you here? Huh? Nardo? Hey, I'm gonna change his name from Tuling to Ding Ding. Ding Ding. Ding Ding, are you here? Huh? June? Ambin? Wow. Who's, let me think who's, where is Miller? Where is Miller? Yeah, he's over there taking care of business. So where's Miller man? Oh my goodness. He's such a princess. And then over here, we have Joanne present. Yeah. We've got Rose present. Up, Melinda. Shh. Uy. I want my truck out of the way. Cold diesel in the morning. It's only gonna get so cold in the Philippines. It ain't gonna be cold. Yeah, get down here and get it out of the way and put it where some shade's gonna be. I think I'm gonna go around and block the street with it the other direction. Take a little tour around the block. Well, my windshield's dirty. Yeah, I think it's best I just block street because they're gonna be down there mixing. It's just a odd house to me. It's like a box on top of a box. So we got a huge amount of Portland right here underneath these tarps. We got stone and sand and sand and sand and sand and more stone, and we've got a lot already pre-bagged up over here. Set up these bamboos temporary here. Another one over here behind me. And they're gonna pull this tarpaulin that's laying right down here. Actually, I may get them to put a different one up. They're gonna put a tarpaulin up though. You may want to save this one for the concrete in case the rain comes. And we'll make it happen. Joe, I'm gonna save this black one because there's another old one over there. Yeah, save that black one. We might have to spread it too if a rain comes. So Joel is doing just what I love. He is just going around checking places, checking it. So we're not just going to jump in and do like a super fast pour. What we're going to do first is we're going to mix up grout mix. They're going to go around and pour it in. I told them, like, in this front beam right here, this decorative that y'all seen me build a while back, we're going to pour like a grout mix in the bottom of it. It'll make it take nice shape down in the bottom. Then we're going to pour a concrete mix on that. We're going to fill that up part of the way. We're going to go around and fill all the low parts of where the walls aren't complete, where the beams start needing to be filled up. We're going to hit that first, put a grout mix in the bottom, then start filling those up. As we move around, letting that rest, let that start kind of semi-setting in there, but not too much, just enough to firm it up so it doesn't have so much hydraulic pressure. And then from there, once we get to that point, we're just gonna start pouring across the floors. So you're just gonna start filling up gradual, and all your low places gradual up. And then, like I say, get all your little beams, start getting them filled, and then hit across the floor. And none of it will ever have a cold joint because two crews pouring front and back. We'll be coming on across there with it. It'll never have any time to set and have a cold joint. Some of the locals in the community are starting to show up now. It's a blessed morning. Such a blessed morning. I'm gonna have Dr. Pepper. I couldn't believe somebody said, you know, that has, or they didn't say it just like this, I'm ad-libbing, but you know, I mean, come on. I had that drinking that Dr. Pepper, and somebody actually put, you know, it's got 7 teaspoons or tablespoons or something with sugar in it. I'm like, are you a killjoy? Huh? Is this a diabetic commercial? I mean, you put a guilt on me for something I was enjoying to drink. What the heck? Like, man, you see this dude's really enjoying get this drink. I'm gonna slap him down with trying to tell him how much sugar's in it. If you knew how much water I drink every day, man, I don't put sugar in my coffee. Only upon rare occasion do I even put any cream in my coffee, and usually don't like it then, leave half a cup behind. And then I enjoy a Dr. Pepper. And there's gotta be somebody out there on YouTube. It's got 7 tablespoons of sugar in it. Okay, Doc. What does not have sugar in this country? Man, anything you pick up here has got sugar in it. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my Dr. Pepper, and I'm gonna do it guilt-free. So if you want to put guilt on me, have at it. We got all our buckets for the bucket brigade here. Got shovels all together here. They're putting on their rubber boots right now. Yep. And the ladies are over here already fired up for a while now. Uh-oh, spam. Frying up some spam. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, they are already fired up. You're preparing what for the breakfast?
For our breakfast.
What's this? A bunch of eggs right here?
Yes, scrambled egg with
Tomatoes and onions. Yeah. Getting this day started. Well, this is about to happen. Got help all stacking up here. Everybody's getting ready, all these young boys. A couple of them boys, they've helped work on this house before. One of them for a good while, Kenneth. I like old Kenneth. And I see his brother down there. Yeah, my eldest nephew with Melinda's family. We call him Gardot. His real name's Eduardo, the same as his dad. He's like Eduardo Jr., you know. Anyway, we call him Gardot. Everybody's got a nickname, you know. Well, they're preparing, pulling nylons right now for the height of their mix. Across there, they're getting nylons all pulled. So they'll have a mark as they go. Well, there's the very first shovels of sand going in right there. That's going to be for our grout mix in the bottom. That'll be a real strong Portland mix with sand to bond right onto the top there. Some more of them showing up here now. It's going to be a good day. Really happy to see my nephew here. He is the real tall one, facing kind of towards me in the orange shirt. Gardot, really happy to see Gardot here helping. That makes me proud. It's not underneath the pressure, just free flow, so it should be all right. Yes, all of it. All of it. With Sahara. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's called a 1-to-5 mix ratio. 1, 2, 3.
One bag, one Sahara.
With Sahara. Hey, but the first mix is grout. Yeah, and especially down in the bottom of this.
Boy, preparar kang grout.
And put Sahara on the grout too.
Boy, preparar no grout.
With,
Grout lang na yun.
yeah, grout and put Sahara in the grout, okay? Joel, I want to put down in the lowest places first, like down in those walls. We'll pour those first, okay?
Yes.
So like here, there. Yeah, we'll do the lowest places first.
Camelo! Oh, dari gusto si Camelo!